Now, let us look at example 2. Say we want to find the current I that's running through our 3 kilo ohm resistor for times 0, 4, and 6 seconds. Now, if we look at our original circuit, we have a 2 volt source that is connected to a switch that is open. At time t is equal to 5 seconds, the switch closes, which would make a connection to our 3 kilo ohm resistor and the switch on our right. The switch on our right opens at time t is equal to 3 seconds, and it is connected to a 2 volt source. Let us begin by looking at the condition when time is equal to 0 seconds. For t is equal to 0 seconds, the switch on our left is open, whereas the switch on our right is closed, such that the current running through our 3 kilo ohm resistor is due to our 2 volt source. Thus, using Ohm's law, I is going to be equal to 2 volts per 3 kilo ohms. Now considering the situation when time t is equal to 4 seconds, the switch on our left is open, and the switch on the right is open, such that there is no closed circuit, such that current cannot flow. That is, the current flowing through our 3 kilo ohm resistor is equal to 0 amps. Last but not least, when we analyze the circuit for when time t is equal to 6 seconds, the switch on the left is closed, whereas the switch on the right is open, such that our 2 volt source on the left is responsible for applying the voltage potential across our 3 kilo ohm resistor, and our current running through said resistor is 2 volts per 3 kilo ohms.